put a poll on Instagram asking what you guys want to see. Asking what you guys want to see, and pop art one. Yeah, pop art one. So this is a really short video. I'm just kind of showing you what I do. I've never done pop art before, so you're gonna watch me struggle to do this. I did use some picture references that I'll show you in a video, but yeah, this is it. This is how it's turned out. If you want to see the process, continue watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, help give me some exposure. Hope to see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, how y'all doing today? So, we're going to try a voiceover. So, as you can see, I got my makeup on. That is my video reference, my picture reference. It's a makeup art. She is a makeup artist off of Instagram. Her name's Jordan Hayes. I will link her down in my down in the description box. But the eyeliner I'm using to start off is the NYX Flex Whites in Honeydew. And I'm just drawing some lines around my face, kind of giving the illusion that my face is two-dimensional, 2D, I think. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. I don't. Yeah, it's just like a little random lines just to make your features kind of pop. This is gonna be a real short video. It's really just me putting lines in my face. I am completely out of frame, and my apologies. I am definitely going to invest in a camera to see what I'm doing. Just give me a couple weeks. Just give me a couple weeks. But yeah, just putting lines around my forehead and stuff like that. I'm going to show you how that looks. I'm going to trace this out with black, don't worry. But I'm kind of just looking, as you can see, I trace my lips as well because I am doing it on my lips. But I'm not in the camera, so I cut it out. That's the finished product. Look at my references again. I also Googled comic books, like old time comic books, to kind of give a reference as well. Now I'm using the Epic Wear by NYX waterproof body liner in white. Oh no, I'm not. I lied. I'm using the Epic Ink liner by NYX in black. This is such an old liner. I think I bought this, like, I don't use pen liners. I don't even know. I mean, they're good for tracing stuff, but this one is clearly running out of ink, and it was mixing with the Honeydew and actually turned my liner black. You will see once I continue to trace it. What was I looking at? Oh, I was talking to my little sister. I might have had to put on my glasses, dark door. But yeah, I'm tracing it. As you can see, it is running out of eyeliner. Usually it has too much ink, and now it's running out of ink. Ironic. But yeah, it was mixing with the liner and turning gray, so I had to trace it a few times. And because it was running out of ink, you can see the white still, even though I'm tracing it with black. So that was great. Ended up switching to their matte liner, though. That is also black, and it's my favorite liner. And the eyeliner on my eyes, actually, in the video. Yep, I'm tracing it. Tracing it was so hard for me because, like, I have shaky hands, so my lines are never precise. They're not like one, like, flick of wrist and that's it. Like, I have to sketch my lines, if that makes sense. So I was struggling in this video. I'm so mad I'm out of frame. Like, you literally can't see what I'm doing. I'm also doing the little cupid's bow in your lip, making that kind of pop. Alyssa told me I was scary. She was like, oh, you're scary. And then my dad was like, oh, you look like, why is your face cut in half? It's still like it's not good enough. I'm doing 2D. So Jordan has this, like, kind kind of thing where you like sketching is the shadow of your like, you know how contour is shadowing, or like little lines are, I don't know what I'm talking about. Little lines are basically the contour, so that's what I'm doing here. If you go back, you can see in the reference video that she has like lines under her cheeks, kind of like a contour. And I don't know if I did it or not. This is my first time doing pop art and decided to video record it. And my liner is running out as I do this. I'm looking at my references, show you Google. I'm doing tracing my lip, but he's using matte liquid liner. But you can't see it because I'm out of frame. Yeah, I'm just kind of putting it in, putting a black line between my lips. Again, giving you that 2D dimensional 2D look. You can check and see how everything looks. I feel like my lips were the best part of this look. The lips look pretty nice in my opinion. Now I'm using the Epic Wear white liner to give the illusion that the sun is hitting my lips, so those are highlights. And I hope I'm making sense in this video. Yeah, those are highlights, like when the sun hits your face. And that is kind of, and the little person just walked behind me, if you saw that. Clean up my lips. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Alright, that was the video. This is me doing the pop art. This is the final look. This is my first time doing this for this struggle. My face is mostly out of frame, I realize. So sorry. Hope you still enjoyed it. But my body is. But yeah, this is it. I try to make this video real short, quick, easy, to the point, in and out. I hope you come back for my next video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, share, let them know your girl out here making videos. Hopefully you come back for my next video. I think I already said that. But comment down below what you want to see. And yeah, follow all my social media. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I hope you enjoy. Have a lovely day. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.